What's up guys, welcome to another video. Happy to have you on here. So today we're going to be looking at Express.js. You can find Express.js at express.js.com, and so today we're going to be looking at what is Express.js and how can you use it. So basically, Express.js is a backend web framework for Node.js that helps developers build web applications and APIs quickly. Think of it as a toolbox that makes it easier to handle things like creating web servers, handling routes, managing requests and responses, and connecting to your database. So with Express, basically you can have the middleman between your API and your database. On a previous edition, we talked about Axios, which was kind of the middleman between your front end and your API. So Express now is this API which is going to communicate with your database as well. So Express is kind of the standard when we're talking about Node.js applications. A lot of people use it and it really works pretty well. So there's really not much going on with it. So it is fast, unopinionated, minimalist web framework for Node.js. So you can use it to build web applications, APIs, performance, and a middleware. It's kind of lightweight. So I will not really go into too much details or in-depth knowledge about this. If you have been building web applications, then you have definitely heard about Express already, especially if you're using Node.js. It's kind of simple to use. There's really not much that goes into it. You can install it using npm or yarn, and you pretty much just get into using it quite easily. So this is just a minimal code that you can put, and you create your route here, which is going to return you this data. And inside this code here, you can use database queries to get data from a database and return them easily. So I like Express. A lot of developers like Express, so there's really not much to be said about it. So I just wanted to give you a brief presentation of what Express is, and now how can you use it in your project. So by default, you have to install it with npm, and then you maybe create a folder for your server, and then you have to deploy this back end. So you have your front end and you can use an Express back end, and both are going to work together and communicate with each other. So you can go ahead and do just that. So this is just Express. There's not much to say more than that. So just check it out, make use of it in your projects, and let me know what you think about it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Catch you on the next one.